Welcome to the Addition Financial online banking tutorial. In this video, we will be reviewing how to set up account activity alert emails. To begin, visit the Addition Financial homepage at additionfi.com and log into online banking. Once you're logged in, click Settings in the toolbar at the top of the page and select Manage Alerts from the drop-down menu. You'll see a full list of alert types to choose from in this menu. Click the small circle next to the option you'd like to select and click Add Subscription. Next, we are going to move through each alert type and review. Reminder alerts can be set up with specific messages, dates, and times. Balance alerts can be set up for each account type when an actual or available balance threshold is met. You can be notified when a specific check clears in your account. Daily balance alerts can be sent at the same time each day. To help avoid unnecessary fees, upcoming or past due loan payment alerts can be sent at a frequency you select. Transaction alerts can be set to notify you of activity in your accounts. For this alert, select the account from which you'd like a notification. Choose the transaction type, create an amount threshold or select any amount. Check the email address we have on file for accuracy. If you need to change or remove an email address, simply click Add Edit Email on the right side of the page. It's important to review listed email addresses and keep them updated. This is where all alert notifications will be sent. You can change the email address here by clicking the pencil icon. To delete email addresses, click the trash icon. There's also an option to add a new email address by clicking Add Email. To return to the alert, click the word Back. Once the alert settings are complete, click Submit at the bottom of the screen. You'll be returned to the online banking homepage with the successful message at the top of the screen. Scroll down to view a list of current alert settings and edit or delete here. You can also view alert history to see a full list of notifications sent. That concludes the online banking tutorial. We hope this information was helpful. To review other how-to videos for your Addition Financial account, please visit our website at additionfi.com. If you have further questions, please contact Addition Financial at 407-896-9411 or toll free at 800-771-9411. Have a great day and remember, count us in.